today we're gonna I don't know. I just finished doing school and stuff, and it's kind of early. It's like 12 o'clock. But after my mom's done working, we're thinking about making cookies and then probably going to the beach late at night. But like, we're not gonna go to the beach where like there's a lot of people there, like on like the side thing. I don't know how to explain it. And I was told we're not allowed to go in, but I'm gonna try to persuade her to let us go in because I'm low-key trying to go in the water. Also, I haven't left my house in forever, so I'm freaking bored, you know? So yeah, and then I'm gonna just go inside right now because it's freaking hot. And that's why another thing, I want to go to the beach. Let me get that good lighting though. So yeah, hi. So that's the, oh my gosh, she just saw me. Okay, bye. All right, y'all, so we just got to the beach.
6 feet apart.
No.
Yes,
I'm gonna find a boyfriend here. So yeah, we're at the beach, and this is my first time being at the beach with red hair. So yeah, and yeah, maybe the sharks will come get me because they might think I'm like period blood, so they might be attracted to me.
Mommy, wait. Beautiful day. The beach, trying to stay 6 feet apart from everybody. See? Very isolated. Love it. It feels good to breathe ocean air. Hopefully nothing else. Hey! You love it? Nobody around. It's really nice. Everybody's keeping their distance. You see? Really nice. Hey, Jojo. It feels so good to be out here. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's so windy, but it feels amazing. Oh, she sat down. Whoa, she sat down again. Oh, she splashed. Good. Julie, you okay, Mama?
I made my soup.
You made some soup? Wow. What kind of sand soup is that? Huh?
Ready?
Go. Oh, sand soup for everybody. That was cool. You having a good time, Poppy?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's going on over here? Julie. Hey, baby. Woo. You having a good time, love?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, the sun's in your eye.
No, it's awesome. Look,
Pretty awesome.
There's like space, like
Beautiful, yep.
even though there's a big crowd back there.
Where?
Back
Oh yeah, there's a big
I mean,
crowd
maybe
over
it's
there.
the angle,
Right?
but here, like there's look at the big space. Like everybody's keeping the distance.
Looks like everybody's doing a good job trying to stay their best 6
Safe.
feet apart, safe. Stay safe, save lives. And here's our spot right over here. You notice how we're really did the best job we can to stay away from everyone. There's plenty of room. This is our little spot here. Julie, what's up, baby? What's up? You love the beach? Water. Water.
Julie, look.
Yeah? Oh, mommy has skills. Look, with her foot. Mommy can cook with her foot.
Stop
She can braid your hair with her foot.
Here.
She can make phone calls with her foot. She can record YouTube videos with her foot. Right? What else can she do? Oh, she can type on her computer with her foot.
Make music. Okay.
Music. Look at these two TikTokers. Oh, she noticed me. She noticed me recording all the way from here. Yeah.
Hey.
You bring any food?
Oh no, I didn't bring any food. I'm sorry.
I told you to get the Dorito. It was just to relax and get out of the house for a little bit. Have fun. He's always hungry. My little man.
Alright, y'all, so we're at the beach right now. My mom's over there. Wait, let me find her. She is right there with the kids. And yeah, I'm right here. And I'm about to go in the water. Oh my god! Oh my god! Sorry, look at all those seagulls. They're getting so close to me. What the heck? Okay, I hate birds so much. Alright, I'm getting in the water now. So I'm not gonna have my phone because it's gonna get wet. So yeah, bye. Alright, y'all, so now we're going to the beach or whatever. Alright, I gotta put my hair down. Alright, y'all, so now we're in the water. Yeah. It's loud.
I know.
Oh, and there's
It's not bad.
James and Joelle. And then my mom's sitting on her chair, right there. And yeah. Okay.
Hey, you're chilling. Say hi, mama, baby.
Say hi, mama.
She has all the seaweed. Mama? Bro, the water's perfect.
Yeah, the water's really nice, y'all.
Is she on me?
Oh my god, there's a bunch of seagulls over there attacking a little family. Let me see if I can show you a little bit. Oh, they just, look, you see? I hope I caught it. It's crazy. When Rachel was little, bro, those seagulls are bullies. Big bullies. Poor Rachel, every time she came to the beach and she would eat her chips, like whatever, Cheetos, nachos, like not Doritos, not nachos, Doritos or whatever. Bro, those seagulls would bully that child and they would take it away from her and then she would cry. It was just such a mission. I feel so bad for her. Those seagulls were intense. And they know better. They see the little kids and then that's when they scoop down and they just take it.
Go!
Wee, Julie!
Go, Julie, go! Go, Julie, go! Go, Julie, go!
She's surfing, you guys.
She's riding it.
She's a little surfer. What is she doing? What? What are you doing? Oh.
Julie, come here. Oh, kick. Good kick.
That's beautiful.
Alright, y'all, so we just got McDonald's. We just got Taco Bell. And now we're eating. I got a bean burrito. What'd you get?
A cinnamon roll thing.
Cinnamon twist.
Yeah.
I actually got this order from my cousin. She put me on with this. It's very specific. There's a bean burrito. No red sauce, no onions, add chicken and sour cream. Mom, what'd you get?
I got nothing. No, for real, I got nothing.
Nah, that's just sad.
Yeah.
What'd you get, James?
$5 box. The chalupa box.
The $5 box. You didn't eat $5. Julie, no. That'd be great. Eat your thing.
Yeah.
She ate. She roll up. Nobody cares what Julie ate. Oh,
She's a cheese roller.
And yeah. That's all. And now we're on the way home.